Pregnancy is known to be a state of wellness and not of illness. But along with happy times of pregnancy, definitely there are certain ailments like swelling in legs, which causes sometimes severe and nagging pain in your legs, which doesn't allow you to sleep. Hi, I am Dr. Himani Sharma, obstetrician and gynecologist at Apollo Hospitals, Navi Mumbai. So let's discuss about what we can do, certain home remedies to alleviate this swelling during pregnancy. So as we know, this swelling mainly comes in the third trimester or in your 7th or 8th month of pregnancy. So there are certain tips which we can easily do and practice, which helps in decreasing the swelling. First, avoid prolonged standing. So if you are working or if you are a housewife, it is necessary that in between take short breaks, don't exert too much, and keep mobilizing your legs. Second, whenever you are sleeping, keep your feet at a certain high level from your heart so that the blood flow happens in the reverse direction. So this you simply do it at home. You can, while sleeping, you can put 2 pillows under your feet. While you are working and you are sitting and working, then you can just put a chair or a stool in front of you and you can put your feet over there. So it helps, it makes your feet little elevated and it increases the blood flow in the reverse direction. Third tip is, like if you are a working female or at the end of the day you feel that the swelling is causing a lot of pain, then you can just soak your feet in warm water with little bit of pinch of salt and soak it for 10 minutes. This really helps to improve the blood flow and the pain also relieves on its own. Then fourth tip is, you can massage your legs. Either you or your partner in crime, your husband, can follow this and he can do the massage in the reverse direction, again starting from feet in the upward direction towards heart. It increases blood flow in the limbs and the pain and swelling decreases. The fifth and most important tip is that you have to do certain regular leg exercises, certain postures which really help to relieve swelling. So even if you are working or you are doing work from home, you can just do ankle exercises, clockwise, anti-clockwise rotation at the ankle joint, which helps to relieve the swelling and decrease the swelling. Then there are certain postures again during pregnancy also, like bridge pose or calf raise exercises, which help to reduce swelling. Even after following these home remedies, if your swelling is not decreasing or it is continuously increasing and you are suffering from pain and swelling, definitely do contact your doctor, because there might be some other medical reasons for swelling associated with it. Get it checked. Thank you.